1. Introduction to learning English through movies. Learning English through movies is a popular and engaging method for language learners. Famous movie scenes provide authentic language exposure, allowing students to hear natural conversations, accents, and expressions. This approach also helps learners understand how language is used in different contexts, such as casual conversations, formal settings, or emotional exchanges. 2. Advantages of learning with movies. Using movies to learn English has many benefits. Learners are exposed to a wide variety of vocabulary, phrases, and idioms that are often missing from traditional textbooks. Additionally, movies present real-life situations, making the language more practical and memorable. Watching familiar scenes allows learners to observe body language and cultural nuances, which are crucial for mastering a language. 3. Developing listening and pronunciation skills. Famous movie scenes are excellent for improving listening skills and pronunciation. Learners can focus on how actors deliver their lines, paying attention to intonation, stress, and rhythm. Repeatedly watching certain scenes helps learners pick up the subtle differences in pronunciation between different characters or accents, and they can mimic these patterns for practice. 4. Enhancing vocabulary and phrasal. Understanding. Movies are rich in vocabulary, and learners can take advantage of this by pausing and noting down new words and phrases. As characters often repeat phrases in various scenarios, learners are able to understand the meaning and context behind words. Movies also showcase informal, conversational English, teaching learners how native speakers interact in everyday situations. 5. Improving grammar and sentence structure. Movie dialogues provide a practical understanding of grammar and action. Learners can observe how sentences are structured, how tenses are used, and how grammatical rules are applied in real conversations. Unlike textbooks that focus on isolated sentences, movies show grammar as part of natural dialogue, helping learners understand and apply it more effectively. 6. Motivation and enjoyment in learning. Watching movies makes the learning process enjoyable and motivating. Learners are more likely to stay committed to their language goals when they engage with content they enjoy. Famous movie scenes, particularly from popular films, also provide a sense of familiarity and entertainment, making the learning experience less daunting and more interactive. Subscribe to English Planet on YouTube, hit the bell icon for the latest videos, and share your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching.